Hi guys, as someone who has lost two wallets in one single year, I knew I needed a smarter solution, something that would help me track it down if I ever misplaced it again, you know. And that was why I decided to try ESR Geo MagSafe Wallet. It's sleek and functional, and it has lots of accessory that helps me hold my essentials and gives me peace of mind with its built-in Find My functionality. This is actually the unboxing video where I will walk you through the features of the ESR Geo MagSafe Wallet. The wallet actually does contain the community guide, as you can actually see. You can actually scan the QR code right there to actually join the ESR community, and that actually will actually link you towards the direction of where you can join. You can sign up for the warranty. Yes, this is the ESR Geo wallet. Yes, and also on the box you would actually find the charging cable, right? And this charging cable can actually just 1 hour's charge of this can actually last for 3 months, for 3 months of use. Yes, and on the box as well you actually find the quick startup guide, and you also find the user manual. The key features of the ESR Geo MagSafe wallet is actually its magnetic ability to actually attach. You can actually attach this to any MagSafe compatible iPhone. Yeah, it provides a strong, stable magnetic connection to ensure that it stays safe. I tried this out, guys. It's really, really strong and it's really stable. Yes. Uh, the wallet itself can actually be able to hold 2 to 3 credit cards, ID cards, yeah, and stuff, and the rest of that. Yes, whatever card it is, yes, I can actually be able to hold it. And it also has the finger slot, which you can actually use to hold your phone while recording or while operating the phone, so to speak. And this is really, really very handy, especially if you make videos from time to time. The wallet also has its own for Apple Find My app functionality, just like the AirTag, which is actually my favorite feature, and it lets you easily find your wallet if it gets missing. Yes, and the design is actually lightweight, crafted with vegan premium leather, and it's really, really very, very sleek. Just like you can actually see, it actually has other security, the RFID blocking technology. Yes, and I will not really be able to show you how this looks on my phone because I'm using this to make the recording right now, and I will be making a second video for that subsequently later on. So my final comment about the wallet is, overall, this wallet combines the practicality of a wallet with the intelligence of smart tracking. Bro, this is really, really lit. Yeah, my only pushback was that it can only hold up to 3 4 cards, with some space in the middle of the wallet to hold at least 2 more cards. I think that would really, really up this up for me, because I'm really, really planning to use this for my as my major go-to wallet, yeah, for day-to-day activities and for going out and all. Yes, I would actually need a space where I can be able to store some cash and some extra cards and stuff, and that would really, really help me out so very, very well. Yeah, it's a perfect wallet for minimalists who prefer to carry fewer items, and it can really, really help you find your wallet if it gets missing, or if you misplace it anywhere. You can actually use its functionalities that are inbuilt to the Apple Find My to locate it easily. Yeah, you can actually play a sound to actually locate it if it's lost in a car or whatever the case may be. If you're someone who values the fusion of technology and everyday essentials, the ESR Geo MagSafe wallet might just be the perfect solution for you. Yeah, so let me know what you think about this, guys. You can actually leave your comments in the comment section, and please do subscribe. I'll actually be leaving my genuine comment about products that I use on a daily basis, and my experience about using this product overall. Yes. All right, guys. Do have a wonderful day. Cheers.